These are glorious Lynx switches by, well, if you haven't guessed it, glorious. Anyone who knows my channel knows that silent switches are like crack for me. So of course I went ahead and bought them. I have never owned a set of glorious switches, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect. Oh man. All right, well, I think I goofed up and bought the wrong switches. Well, we've already committed this far, so we're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unthinkable and put them against the Echo Haze Pinks anyways.
I am going to commit great crime.
Let's go ahead and see how they hold up. Personally, I am kind of leaning toward the sound of the Lynx switches, even though they weren't the silent ones that I meant to buy. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments below.